How doing, everyone? Just down Trentham Gardens. Beautiful night tonight. One of the nicest places to come and Stoke. This. You don't see people doing videos either. They just go out and film homeless people and stuff. You don't see people come in these places very often. That's why I do it. Got some really nice places in Stoke. Trentham Gardens, Barliston. You've got like Parkhill Hills, Florence Hill. There's a lot of nice countryside around in Stoke. A lot of history here. Award-winning gardens. Trellis walk. There's loads of information you can scan at Trentham, which is good. It's just such a nice place though. It's kept so well. Where the Duke of Sutherland used to live. Very important person in Stoke-on-Trent history, Duke of Sutherland. Go up and have a look at the house. Actually donated land for Longton Park. There's a clock tower there. Donated the land for Longton Park, Longton Cottage Hospital. Florence Colliery is actually named after the Duke of Sutherland's sister, Florence. You've got the his burial place opposite the Poacher's Cottage. That's beautiful, that is. And then you've got the hill. Don't know if you'll be able to catch it on here. The hill right in the distance there, there's a statue there of him. Yeah, very important person in Stoke-on-Trent's history. Generous man, donated a lot of land. But the gardens are so nice. You just wander around for hours. There's a big lake you can walk around as well and get a coffee. You've got a big garden centre, shopping village. This bit is really nice now. The fantasy wire. There's actually like a fairy quest for the kids. There's like fairies dotted around. This part here, this used to be where the servants used to live, that part there. You got the church there that's still in use. We'll get the old building on. Just get these nice gardens on. So many beautiful flowers they just dotted around. This is nice, the archway as well. You get a lot of people coming having the wedding pictures here. this is just one end. It's a massive place, Trentham Gardens is. You got the monkey forest as well. You could spend like 2 or 3 days in Stoke if you came to Trentham Gardens, and then you've got Wedgwood Museum, Middleport Museum. Yeah, see, I love this building. Let's get this information on. There's the clock tower. The story of Trentham Hall. Duke of Sutherland there. This bench is nice as well. I know it off by heart down here. I always come down here just away from all the traffic and all the hassle. Canals and that as well. The Italian Gardens. I'll leave to that anyway, so that's just the bottom end. It's well worth coming. Thanks for watching. Have a good evening.